Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss how to sell books online through your own digital bookstore. We have all heard story about how Amazon and other major retailers have killed the bookstores as we know it, but these tales are nothing more than fiction. It's true that these mega brands have changed the game in all forms of consumerism, not just books, but it also true that tons of niches bookstores, brands, and resellers have been able to crave themselves a special slice of the pie. There are the one who realize that this market is massive and flexible. They have also realized that book lovers are even willing to pay extra when these stores offers a special customer experience or a unique personality flair. In this video we will cover the ins and outs of how the sell books online, from opening an independent bookstore to reselling to self-publishing your own work. We have got you covered on our path to delivering good trades to the masses. How to start an online book selling business. Decide on a business idea. There are a dozen ways to launch a business in the book space. You can start with the traditional bookstore model, which cover many gainers to attract a wider base of book lovers. Another way is to focus on a niche genre, building a business around that specific theme. Write the self-publish your own book, selling to customer directly. Offer a specific type of books, selling used out of print, rare or vintage books. Create a niche audience. Launch a book themed subscription bundle or box. Sell audiobooks or ebooks online via digital delivery. Start a book adjacent business. Get familiar with trade terms. As a budding booksellers, it helps to get familiar with the terms frequently used in the book industry. Some key ones to learn include International Standard Book Number (ISBN), a numerical code used to identify a book. Libraries, publishers, retailers, and other businesses along the book supply chain use this unique number for ordering and stock control. All book publishers after 2006 have a 13-digit ISBN, while book published before that period have a 10-digit ISBN. First edition, the first printed and commercially distributed copy of a book. Advanced reading copy, a published almost complete copy of a book close to being released. Advanced reading copy are circulated to book buyers, reviewers, and influencers to build early buzz around a title. Book list, a publisher's list of older books that are still in print and once enjoyed being on the front shelves of bookstores. Out of print, a book title that is no longer being printed or reprinted by the publisher. Book wholesaler, a company that buys larger quantities of books from publishers and sells them to retailers, libraries, and institutes. Wholesalers usually get volume discounts from publishers and can sell at a lower price without hurting their margins. Book distribution, a business that warehouses and sells bookstore, retailers, libraries, and sometimes wholesalers on behalf of publishers. Trade booksellers, another name for a retailer bookstore. Booksellers are retail bookstores. Trade booksellers sell to the general public and include online stores, large retail chains, and independent bookstores. List price, the retail price or cover price of a book, often printed on the back or sleeve. Choose your business model. Aspiring booksellers have a number of business models available at their disposal. However, they will select one of these two options: self-publishing to sell their own books, or selling used and vintage books. Self-publishing is a lot easier these days thanks to a host of tools available online to assist you. Once you write a book and get it edited and formatted, you can take it to a book publishing platforms such as those run by Amazon or Apple. To create your new ebook, hardcover, paperback, or audiobook, you can also bypass traditional distribution channels and sell books through print on demand or by using your own website in a digital format. But if you are looking to open an independent bookstore, selling used and vintage books will give you a larger variety to work with. You can appeal to a specific niche by seeking out and selling book from a certain time period or genre, or simply sell a range of books from various sources like thrift store, garage sales, and library clearance sales. Other optional sources of inventory include online marketplaces like eBay, local buy and sells listing, used bookstores. Unless you used books are particularly rare, you will usually sell them for less than the standard list price. This means you will need to be selective about the book you carry, as low priced books may be difficult to profit from, particularly after shipping and other fees. Learn the sourcing process. If you are opening a bookstore and planning to sell different books, you will need to find a supplier. While you may find that as a new entrant in the books market, it's easier to work with one wholesaler. The fact is, it's simple to set up accounts with publishers directly. Sure, some publishers have minimum with publishers directly. Sure, some but many allows booksellers to order as little as one copy of book. Set up your online bookstore.